PNetwork technical analysis. Despite the fact that 100% accurate technical analysis for PNetwork cryptocurrency is hardly possible, on this advanced technical analysis tool by TradingView, you can see the real-time aggregated PNT buy and sell rating for selected time frame. The summary for PNT/USD is based on the most popular technical indicators, moving averages, oscillators, and pivots. PNetwork price prediction. Number 1. Wallet Investor PNT price predictions for 2021, 2023, 2025. According to Wallet Investor, PNetwork price will drop from $2.477475 to $1.653 in 1 year. That makes PNT a bad investment. The long-term earning potential is negative 33.28%. Predicted price for the end of 2026 is $5.292. Number 2. TradingView's PNT price prediction for 2022. Answering the question about if PNetwork is a good investment, TradingView says a resounding no. In the 2021 perspective, this coin is predicted to reach 0.7919357 with a growth to $1.2912929 by the end of 2022. Number 3. Digital coin PNT price forecast for 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025. In digital coin analysis, the price of PNetwork cryptocurrency will rise in the next 5 years, starting from 0.0000762 as of today's price to 0.000283. It will go up to 0.001257 by 2022 and continue its growth in 2023 and 2024. Based on this forecast, PNetwork is a profitable long-term investment.